Are you one of those who are struggling to manifest money in their lives? If yes, then this video is for you. Joseph Murphy believed that we can attract wealth and abundance into our lives just by using the power of our subconscious mind. In fact, he wrote a book on manifesting money by using our subconscious mind. The book is titled How to Attract Money. In his book, he shared many techniques, including some of the most powerful visualizations that can be used to manifest money instantly. In this video, we are going to discuss a powerful technique to manifest money that Murphy suggests in his book. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because if you understand and put this technique into practice, you will manifest money in just a few days. So let's jump right into it. Step 1. Reprogram your subconscious mind positively about money. Many people have negative feelings toward money when they have to spend it. They may feel as if they are becoming poor or worry about being short on money. However, it's important to understand that these negative feelings are associated with money in general, regardless of whether it is coming in or going out. To change this negative association with money, it's important to do an exercise that can help shift these feelings to a more positive mindset. When we pay for a service or a product, it's common to feel uneasy about the money being taken away from us. This negative feeling can have a significant impact on our subconscious mind, which can affect our overall mindset towards money. To overcome this negativity, it's essential to program the subconscious mind positively. We can do this by focusing on the value that the product or service brings to our lives, as well as the effort that many people have put in to make it possible. For example, when we pay for a product, we can think about the people involved in creating and delivering it, from the farmers who grew the ingredients to the workers who assembled it. By doing this, we can start to feel more positive about paying for it, knowing that we are supporting a whole chain of people and their efforts. Furthermore, we can also think about the positive impact that our payment may have on others. For example, the person we are paying for a service may use that money to support their family, pay for their children's education, or cover their basic needs. By paying for these services, we are not only getting value for ourselves, but also contributing to the well-being of others. When we start to shift our mindset to a more positive outlook towards money, we begin to move into a higher frequency. This shift can open the doors to unlimited wealth flowing towards us as we become more open and receptive to money coming into our lives. It's also essential to remember that the wealth we receive should not be kept to ourselves but shared with others. This sharing mentality can lead to even greater abundance as the universe responds to our willingness to give and share with others. Step 2. Cultivate the feeling of gratitude inside you. Gratitude is a powerful force that can transform our lives in many ways. Murphy says that when we feel grateful, we are filled with positive emotions that radiate outward, influencing our thoughts and actions. This positive energy attracts more positive experiences into our lives, including financial abundance. If we focus on negative thoughts and emotions, we will attract negative experiences. On the other hand, if we focus on positive thoughts and emotions, we will attract positive experiences. Gratitude is one of the most powerful positive emotions. When we feel grateful for the money we have, we attract more money into our lives. This is because gratitude opens up our hearts and minds to the abundance that surrounds us. We become more aware of the opportunities that are available to us, and we are more likely to take advantage of them. Gratitude also helps shift our focus from what we don't have to what we do have. When we focus on what we don't have, we create a feeling of lack that repels abundance. But when we focus on what we do have, we create a feeling of abundance that attracts more abundance into our lives. To cultivate a feeling of gratitude, we must learn to appreciate the small things in life. We can start by making a list of all the things we are grateful for, including the money we have. We can also take time each day to reflect on the blessings in our lives and express our gratitude for them. We can also practice gratitude by giving back. When we give to others, we create a feeling of abundance and generosity that attracts more abundance into our lives. This can be done through charitable giving, volunteering, or simply by doing something kind for someone else. Gratitude also helps us recognize the opportunities that are available to us. When we are grateful for the money we have, we are more likely to make wise financial decisions and to take advantage of opportunities that come our way. This can lead to even greater financial success. Step 3. Develop mindset of abundance. In his book, Murphy emphasizes the importance of cultivating a mindset of abundance in order to manifest wealth and success in our lives. Often, when we see others experiencing prosperity or growth, we may feel jealous or uneasy. However, instead of allowing ourselves to be consumed by these negative emotions, Murphy suggests that we should train ourselves to feel happy and excited for others' success. For instance, when we see someone driving a beautiful car, living in a luxurious home, or enjoying a lavish lifestyle, we should focus on the abundance that exists in the universe rather than on feelings of lack or inadequacy. By doing so, we are sending a powerful message to the universe that we too are deserving of abundance and prosperity. It is essential to recognize that the universe is full of limitless possibilities and resources. There is an abundance of wealth and prosperity available to all of us, and it never runs out no matter how much is given away. When we shift our focus to this mindset of abundance and start to feel grateful for the success of others, we create a positive energy that attracts more positivity and abundance into our own lives. This concept may seem simple, but it is a powerful tool that can help us achieve our financial goals and create a more fulfilling life. Our thoughts and emotions have a direct impact on our subconscious mind, which in turn affects our behavior and actions. When we train our minds to focus on abundance and feel joyful and grateful for the success of others, we are programming our subconscious mind to attract more abundance and success into our lives. Number 4, make yourself deserving of money. In his book, Murphy greatly emphasized the importance of deserving oneself in order to manifest wealth. He suggests that simply visualizing or imagining wealth is not enough. One must take action to make oneself deserving of it. To become deserving of wealth, Murphy advises that one must educate themselves and actively seek out opportunities for growth and expansion. This involves finding ways to create even more wealth, such as starting a part-time business or providing services online. By doing so, one sends a message to the universe that they are ready and open to receiving wealth. Murphy notes that those who are constantly seeking ways to grow their businesses are more likely to attract wealth, while those who are content with a fixed salary may find it difficult to manifest large sums of money. However, even those in fixed salary jobs can take steps to become deserving of wealth by seeking out additional sources of income or investing in the stock market. Once one has found their path to wealth, Murphy suggests that opportunities will start to present themselves. As they continue to focus on their goals and take action toward them, they will attract more abundance and prosperity into their lives. Step 5. Visualizations. Visualization is a powerful technique that can help you attract money and achieve your financial goals. In his book, How to Attract Money, Murphy explains 2 types of visualizations that you can practice to manifest your desires: open-eye visualization and closed-eye visualization. Open-eyed visualization. During the day while you are working, you can practice open-eye visualization. This involves visualizing the results that you want to achieve in your life with your eyes open. For instance, if you currently drive a Maruti and you desire to own a luxurious car such as a BMW or a Lamborghini, you can visualize yourself driving that car. Imagine how it feels to be behind the wheel of your dream car and feel the excitement and joy that come with it. Similarly, if you want to own a bigger and better house, you can visualize yourself living in that dream house. Picture the interiors, the furnishings, and the surroundings. Imagine how it feels to wake up in your dream home every morning and go to bed in a luxurious bedroom every night. You can also visualize yourself in a more successful career with a bigger team and more clients. When you practice open-eyed visualization, you change the frequency of your feelings, which in turn attracts positive outcomes in your life. As you imagine and feel what it's like to have your desires, you attract them into your reality. Closed eyes visualization. In the morning, you can practice closed-eye visualization, which involves visualizing the lifestyle you want to live. It is a powerful visualization technique that can help you achieve your goals by tapping into the power of your mind. Visualization has been used by many successful people as a way to manifest their dreams and desires into reality. To begin practicing closed-eye visualization, find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your body and calm your mind. Imagine yourself living your ideal lifestyle. If you want to own luxurious cars, imagine yourself driving them on a beautiful road, feeling the leather seats and the powerful engine. If you want to travel to exotic places, imagine yourself standing in front of a famous landmark or enjoying a beautiful beach. If you want to live in a mansion, visualize the details of the house, such as the architecture, the furniture, and the view. As you visualize your ideal lifestyle, focus on the feelings and emotions associated with it. Feel the excitement, the joy, and the satisfaction of living your dream life. Allow these positive feelings to fill your entire being, and let go of any negative thoughts or doubts that may arise. The more you can connect with the positive emotions associated with your ideal lifestyle, the more you activate the law of attraction and attract the resources, people, and opportunities you need to make it a reality. Closed-eye visualization is a simple yet powerful technique that can help you achieve your goals and live your best life. It helps you focus your mind on the outcomes you desire, align your thoughts and emotions with them, and attract the resources, people, and opportunities you need to make them a reality. By practicing close-eyed visualization regularly, you can create a mental image of your ideal lifestyle and work towards making it a reality. I hope I was able to deliver a good analysis of this idea of attracting money by Dr. Joseph Murphy. And of course, this doesn't mean we agree with every single thing he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form his or her own opinion, and that is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.